Aprilia is turning up the heat in the 125 cubic centimeters game with the launch of their brand new RS125 GP Replica, a bike that's clearly aimed at young riders who live and breathe MotoGP. Inspired by the race bikes of Marco Bezzecchi and reigning world champ Jorge Martin, this new version brings a splash of racing magic to the street. Built on the solid base of the standard RS125, which is already a standout in the A1 license class, the GP Replica comes with a slight price bump, £5,380 versus £5,230, but packs in some sweet upgrades. At its heart is the same liquid-cooled, single-cylinder 4-stroke engine, delivering a class-topping 14.8 brake horsepower at 10,500 rpm and 8.5 pound-ft of torque at 8,500 rpm. It meets the latest €5+ standards and sips fuel from a chunky 14.5-liter tank, so you'll get plenty of miles between fill-ups. The chassis remains the same too, an aluminium beam frame, now finished in stealthy matte black to match the factory RS125 MotoGP bike. The fairings are splashed with official sponsor decals, while accents of red and purple give it a proper track-ready look. Even the double-sided swing arm is blacked out for that extra race-style finish. One of the coolest features on the GP Replica is the standard Quickshifter. It's perfect for aggressive city riding or just having fun on twisty roads, letting you click through gears faster without using the clutch. There's no rear seat, just a sharp plastic cowl, but Aprilia did leave the passenger foot pegs if you feel like adding one later. The rider seat sits at 820mm, which should be friendly enough for most, and there's even a storage pocket underneath that's big enough for your phone or a small tablet. On the tech side, Aprilia hasn't skimped. The RS125 GP Replica features Bosch Dual-channel ABS for reliable braking, plus traction control, which you can turn off if you want more control. Some might say it's not necessary on a 15-horsepower bike, but hey, it's a cool bonus, especially for new riders. There's also Aprilia MIA, a Bluetooth-enabled multimedia system that lets you connect your phone to the bike's dashboard. It's not just for show either, it adds real value if you like tracking your rides or using navigation. The bike rides on sleek 6-spoke 17-inch wheels, with a single 300mm disc up front and a floating caliper, bringing the lightweight 144 kg machine to a confident stop. In short, the 2025 Aprilia RS125 GP Replica is a head-turning little rocket built for learners and enthusiasts who want a taste of MotoGP without breaking the bank or the speed limit. With its legit racebike looks, smart tech, and rider-focused upgrades, it's easily one of the most exciting A1 sports bikes on the market right now.